Presenting, realme NARZO 80 Lite, 5G smartphone. It is available in colors, onyx black, and crystal purple. It comes in 6GB RAM, and 128GB internal storage. It features ultra-slim 7.94mm design, which has sleek and stylish profile, that's comfortable to hold and easy to carry. It has flagship-grade clarity, and fluidity with a 120Hz refresh rate, and immersive punch-hole screen. It features MediaTek Dimensity 6300 5G, which is fast and reliable 5G connectivity, with a power-efficient processor. This smartphone has massive 6000 mAh battery, which long-lasting battery, designed for extended performance. The box contains power adapter, USB cable, SIM tray ejector, and phone case. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay, net banking and cash on delivery. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page. Keep shopping with Amazon.